In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google AdSense password, a foundational aspect of maintaining the security of your account. Whether you've recently experienced a security scare or simply want to keep your credentials robust and updated, changing your password is a critical step to protecting your online income. Firstly, let's dive into the process. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google AdSense webpage. You'll find the URL in the description below. Once you're there, you're greeted by the home page designed to guide both new and existing users in their monetization journey. Now, if you're not already signed in, you'll need to do so. Look for the Sign In button. Clicking on it will redirect you to a new page where Google manages all account sign-ins. This is a universal gateway, ensuring the security of your account across Google's services. Upon clicking Sign In, you'll be asked to enter your email. Make sure to type in the email associated with your Google AdSense account. Entering the correct email is crucial as it directly links to your AdSense data, including earnings and reports. Following the email, the next step involves entering your password. If you have multiple Google accounts, ensure that you're signing into the one linked to AdSense. This might seem straightforward, but remember, accuracy here avoids any unnecessary confusion or access issues down the line. After successfully logging in, navigate to the home dashboard of Google AdSense. This hub is where you'll find your performance reports, estimated earnings, and more importantly for our task today, your account settings. Look for your profile icon or picture, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. You're looking for the My Account option. This is your gateway to various account settings and preferences. In My Account, we proceed to the heart of our task, but before we get there, an important intermediary step is to go to your Google account settings. This is because your Google AdSense password is tied directly to your Google account. So navigate by clicking on the Security tab. This section is dedicated to keeping your account safe, which includes everything from recent security activity to password management. Finally, we've arrived at the crucial step, changing your password. Locate and click on the Password section under the Signing into Google category. You might be prompted to re-enter your current password. This is a security measure to ensure that the person making changes is indeed you. Once verified, you'll be presented with the option to enter a new password. Here's a tip. Make sure your new password is strong and unique. Avoid common words or sequences that might be easily guessed. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols significantly enhances security. After you've confirmed your new password, save the changes, and that's it. You've successfully changed your Google AdSense password, enhancing the security of your account and ensuring your monetization journey is safeguarded. Remember, maintaining the security of your digital accounts is an ongoing process. Regularly changing your passwords and keeping track of account activities are best practices. Also, consider utilizing additional security features such as two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. I hope this guide was helpful. Keep following for more tips on managing your online presence and digital security. Stay safe and see you in the next video.